My name's Simon. I'm the owner of Imask Protective Eyewear, and for the last 20 years our company has been involved in developing and manufacturing protective eyewear like these units here, which are made for squash players. But with the advent of the coronavirus pandemic, we've been asked by numerous people whether we could possibly think about adapting our design so that they could be used as a shield for healthcare workers working in the front line against this disease. So in partnership and working with some local doctors in Tasmania, we've been able to redevelop our design. We'll develop a new design and we're calling it the Imask Face Shield. So as you can see, it's a full face shield now with very generous protection to the sides as well as to the top of the brow. It also features quite a large space in between here, which allows for the use of a face mask, either a round or even a duckbill shaped face mask will fit behind here, and it allows the workers to be able to be sure of being protected when working with coronavirus sufferers. Now, some of the features of this eye mask, some of the other features are that it's quite easy to don and doff, just with two hands on the side here, so we're not touching the face mask, and we can pull that apart. It also disassembles easily so that it can be disinfected. Each of the individual parts can be disinfected easily so that it can be reused, and that just makes sure too that there's not so much wastage going on, being able to reuse the equipment time and time again. So that's the Imask Face Shield. We're just finishing our first order, and we've got a second one on the way from the local hospital, but we're happy to talk with any healthcare facilities or personnel who might be interested in obtaining some of these face shields for your area within Australia only, so that we can be able to try and meet your needs there. If you're in the United States, our United States distributor for Imask, they will be making their own face shields there, so if you contact me, then we can put you in touch with them as well. So if you go to our website, it's called imaskfaceshield.com, and that will contain a lot of information there to do with this product and the ways that you can contact us about obtaining yours. So I look forward to being able to work with you in the near future.